Hi guys, welcome to Easy IELTS channel. Today we are going to talk about another chapter, that is questions about maths. And today we are focusing on the first lesson, that is when did you start learning maths? Yes guys, it is a question which can be asked in IELTS Speaking Part 1, and I am going to give you a sample answer, or you can say I'm going to give you ideas about this chapter or this question. So let's check it out. So one thing which you should always keep in mind, it is that you should always speak at least two sentences or three sentences in your IELTS Speaking Part 1 answers, because if you do that, only then the examiner will get impressed by you. Otherwise, no, never. Examiner will never get any idea. For example, if you speak about this question, that when did you start learning maths? If your answer is just single word or single sentence, the examiner will say, no, this guy doesn't know how to speak. If you want to go for 8 bands, then you should go for it. You should at least speak two sentences or three sentences. So let's dive in and what you can speak in these questions. When did you start learning maths? Obviously, it is an important subject in every country. In every country, students learn mathematics. You can say about that it is an important subject, and it is studied by everyone in my country. And so did I learned it when I started learning, or when I started going to school. Another thing is the grade, or in most of the countries it is said that class. Then you can say that I started learning basic maths when I reached first grade, or when I was in first grade. Moreover, you can talk about your teacher's name, who was your teacher, who started teaching you mathematics when you reached that class, what were the topics which were covered. Probably you may not remember that which were the topics when you were in first grade or first class. So you can go for the just basic math like counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, or other things. So these are the only two or three ideas which you can speak about, and your sample answer will go like this. Maths is a very important subject in many countries, and it is also one of the key subject in my country. I started learning maths when I was in first grade, and our teacher, Mr. Krishan, used to teach us the basic mathematics, and that included addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's it. So these are the ideas which you can talk about in your IELTS test, in your speaking part 1, whenever you are asked this question. Remember, the one of the most important thing which I would like to share is, do not say it as class. When I reach this class, no. In Western world, it is not said as class, it is grade. There are not classes, there are grades. So you should say when I reach my first grade, not first class. So keep this thing in mind always, because if there is an foreign examiner in front of you, then he might not understand what do you mean by class. So it would be better if you use grade. If you found this video useful, then please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Also check out our Facebook and Instagram page. Thank you.